KRC or Jones pulley system?
Either one. I use both, probably 50, like 50% Jones, 50% KRC. Both are awesome systems, especially when you get to their, like to the, I mean, if you're just going like cranked water pump, either system is badass.
Yeah.
If you're adding a bunch of shit to it, you know, alternator, power steering pump, stuff like that off the front, still, either one's badass. So.
Well, I end up with having to do some V-belt stuff, so I usually go Jones on the V-belt stuff.
Yeah.
There. And then also the front and back. I mean, if you're going to run power steering on the back, again, either way.
Well, I mean, KRC came out with their new tandem
Mm-hmm.
Power steering fuel pump combination, and I love it. I mean, that's what's on my son's car.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
I mean,
it's a beautiful piece
it's
of
a very, very good piece.
Yes,
So.
I would agree.
Now Jones also makes a very, very good piece as well. So.